Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install this application. Now open it. Agree. You can sign in into your account right here, but I'm going to skip it. Now, if you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. It's up to you, but I'm going to click allow. Then add device and allow. And now we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!